Hello guys, again welcome back to my YouTube channel, and the next part of the database video is the steps of the database, or we can say the stages of the database or the layers of the database. Normalization, right? Now if you don't know what is the normalization, or you are new to the MySQL tutorial, please go back to the previous video of this series uh, to know everything about the normalization. And if you don't know, then I will pin on the description area, as well as you can see top here, on the top corner, yeah, right here. So yeah, let's begin. The first stage or first layer of the database normalization is the 1NF, first normal form. The first normal form is all about identify a primary key for the record, right? Now, uh, the record means the record. If you don't know what is the record, then also go back to the previous videos and you will find everything about the record, fields, or table and database. Now, primary key means to identify each record particularly with a unique identity. That is a primary key. Primary key is a field that identifies record uniquely. Now, every database, all table has just one primary key. One primary key, one table, or one table, one primary key. And primary key cannot be null, right? Now let's say, now let's understand the first normal form with an example, right? So let's see, here is the book table and it is in the normal form. Now you can see ISBN, their title, publication date, and everything. Now, as you can see, that ISBN can be a primary key, means this is the only uh, field which is unique. The title can be duplicated or can have same name, publication date can also be same, cost can be also same, but we can identify this particular record with ISBN, which is unique for this record, right? Now, there is one problem, which is this is primary key, unique, right? But as we talked about in previous video, that data is inconsistent. Why? Because there are multiple authors for the same table, right? So we cannot do that. So what we will do, that we will give each record uniquely, let's say like this. So this table is in now in first normal form, where there is no duplicate data, I mean no inconsistent data, no multiple data in same field. But as you can see, that there are multiple primary keys for the record, but data are different, right? But this is also an inconvenience or duplication of data. Now, also this is a composite primary key. Like if there are multiple primary key for the same field, it is the composite primary, right? So this is also not a good idea to design a database. So we will move our this table to second normal form. Now let's see what's the second normal form, right? Now the second normal form is to remove the partial dependency from our database, tables, right? Now, what is partial dependency? Now, partial dependency means the fields in our record is not depend on the primary key, right? Now, we can remove these uh, these records uh, from our main table, and we can create a separate table to solve this partial dependency problem of the normalization. Like, now let's just simply understand it with the example, right? Now let's see. As you see that this is our first normal form, and as you can see here that the title is depend on the primary key. I mean, uh, publication date is also retail and category. I mean, everything this is to relate. I mean, each title, publication dot, cost, retail, category, everything in this is only depend on the primary key, not on who wrote the book, right? So here the author field is not needed. So what we will do that make a separate table for the author table, and in that table there will be author ID, which is primary key, author name, and author last name. Means make two tables, one for the book and one for the author. Now this is the second normal form, like remove complete the author field and make it a separate table for the author, right? Now now let's move these to our third normal form, right? So third normal form is to remove transitive dependency. Now transitive dependency means the data that is not depend on the primary key, means record or field that is depend on the another field other than the primary key. Now at the same way, to remove the transition dependency from the table, we just have to separate two tables. Now let's see it also with the example from here. Like you can see that title, publication, everything is depend on the ISBN, but not the contact. I mean, if I want to the contact person, then I will not contact it with the primary key. I will contact the publisher, right? So contact field is depend on the publisher. So in this situation also, what we will do, we will make a separate table for contact table, and all the same field will remain in the books table, right? Like this, right? So this is the third normal form of the our previous, the first normal form, right? So yeah, that's all from the uh, normalization. I mean the stages of the normalization. uh, I know, like there are more normal forms like CBNF, fourth normal form, fifth normal form. But as this video is, I mean this series is just for the beginners, but if you guys want to see what's how CBNF or further normal forms work, please do let me know in the comment section, and I will make a separate video for further normal forms of the database. Now this is the recap of the everything that we have learned in this video. So just go through it, and yeah, if you like the video then do like, and if you have any doubt for the database normalization, please do comment section, and yeah, do subscribe if you want, and see you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a nice day, and slay your database SQL, I mean slay SQL database with me, one and only Yasss. Bye, take care, have a nice day, see you.